Welcome to the Triple J channel, bringing you quality wood product. So, for this build, you're going to need a number 10 screw hook, a 1/16 inch drill bit, 6 inches of small chain, this is what we prefer, you can have any length you'd like, and a 1 inch and a quarter Forstner bit. That is also optional, you can use whatever bit you'd like, but the Forstner bit, in our opinion, is the best. So this is the finished product. Got the chain here, obviously. This is the hook we used, and the holes, obviously. And we really like how the Forstner bit. Can you see that here? We really like how the Forstner bit does the holes. It's extremely smooth, really nice to clean out the dirt, I guess you could say. And some people like to chip or sand the bark away. They like that look, but personally we don't, so we left the bark on. It's easier that way too, obviously. And that's it for now on the Triple J.